Assalamu alaikum, brothers. Today we will discuss how to use Find Device command in Gent fire alarm panel. First of all, you need to press on menu button. To open test in engineering menu, you need to press on F4 button. Press again on F4 button to enter user code. If there is no user code for the panel, then the next menu will open directly without entering a code. Press F1 to select loop. Press F3 to select Find Device. Type the loop number that you want to find device on it, then select Start by pressing F2. Type the device number that you want to find, then select Enter by pressing F2. You can press F3 to go to next device or F2 to go to previous device. Now the selected device will blinking in red color. To stop this function, press Quit. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and share.